Hello. 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 Hey guys, if you want to ask about your favorite coin, let me know. I'm good. Hey, Patrick, I'm doing great. How about yourself? I'm just testing this live stream, trying to, just continue this live stream. Do you have any coin you want me to cover? Yeah, the market is kind of, looking dumpy at the moment. You can see Bitcoin, it's going down. And we have a good, area over here where it might come down to if it doesn't come back up and get into this falling wedge. So let's see what happens. I mean, a lot of coins are struggling right now. Especially all coins are taking a big beating. XRP, okay, let's see what XRP is doing. Let's look at XRP right over here. So you can see with XRP, let's move this. We're on the weekly time frame, okay? And you see this support line. Let me show you this support line that I've drawn. It's from long time back, and you can see XRP fell down at this support, okay? So it's trying to find support here, but if we break this level, okay, and let's say the daily candle closes below this line, then you will see further pullback for XRP. And where can this pullback be? If you touch this move, it can come all the way down to this low over here, okay? If it comes down here and it fails to hold this level, because you can see a lot of buying and selling was done at this area, okay? So it might just find some support at this area. And if it breaks this area, which is a very crucial area for XRP, and especially this support line, okay? Because you know that Bitcoin is trying to go down further, and the next support, you know, is at this Fibonacci level of 1.272. But again, you know, Bitcoin has, if Bitcoin goes to $30,000, then you can, XRP can come down to the 35 cents area, okay? But if XRP holds this level, this support line, then expect something like this for XRP in this pattern, okay? Something like this. So this is a very crucial area for XRP, okay? But again, the next support for XRP is this 0.35. If you go to the monthly time frame, just move this a little bit further. Take this off, take this off. So you can see right over here, the Fibonacci level of 1.272. This is a very good area, but again, this is a very strong support for XRP, okay? So just keep an eye on this support. If it falls below and closes the daily candle below this, then expect a downwards movement, okay? But if the close is above this support line, the daily close, okay, then we'll just move in this pattern. Okay, so that's it for XRP at the moment. What is your prediction for XRP this year? Hello, Rocks, how are you? Just found your channel today and I want to say I'm amazed by the different outlooks you got for most people. Keep it up. Thank you, bro. Okay. Yeah, I just try to, you know, do things a little bit different because a lot of crypto hypers are there on YouTube. So I just come very directly, you know, and I just try to analyze everything from strictly the technical point of view rather than just, you know, how the hype is. I mean, you cannot always remain bullish with the, you know, the stock market or cryptocurrencies. I mean, there is a bull run that happens, but there's also a pullback that is very necessary for the uh, crypto market, and it's a healthy pullback because if you look at XRP chart, I can show you something really quickly if anyone is watching. Let's see, I don't know if anyone is watching at the moment because it doesn't update me, but yeah. And was impressed on your outlook, very good insights. Thank you so much, Rox. I really appreciate your response. See, with XRP, let me show you something, okay? If we go to the weekly, see this, we had this big bull run for XRP back in 2017, you know, and early 18. It went up $3.19. Or like the piece. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this, but I'm trying to test these live streams. So hopefully, you know, once everything gets sorted, you know, I would understand a little bit better how these live streams actually work. I'm actually very new to all these live streaming and stuff. It's my second time testing this whole thing, but hopefully we'll get to the point, you know, with these live streams because I think live streams is a better way to connect with the audience. It's very direct and it's faster than making videos, you know, every day because market conditions can change pretty quickly, you know, as they are doing right now. But yeah, with this XRP, you know, it went up $3.19 back in 2017. Then it had a pullback of from its all-time high Look at this, 90. Let's see. Okay, that was about like it took all the profits. You see, because this run was so drastic. Look at this run. It's just one candle, two, three candles to the upside. So normally when they come back down, okay, this pullback was because of the lawsuit that XRP went through. Then it slowly started picking up over here and tried to come to its all-time high, but it couldn't do it because everybody was waiting for the response from the SEC commission and all that. So XRP at this price is a very good area to accumulate. I would still say this is a very good price to accumulate, because even if it's going to do something like this, okay, and maybe even break this, you get dollar cost average, okay, because if it breaks this support, it's going to make a falling channel, okay. It could be like this, something like this, because its pattern was within the pattern. What are you saying? Isn't XRP more based on the news around the lawsuit than charts? I think wherever we are, if the lawsuit goes through and XRP wins, it will fly. See, that can happen, okay? Let's say XRP wins the lawsuit, okay? But again, if it wins the lawsuit, then you're telling me that Bitcoin regulations are going to be, I mean, they're going to be approved in the US. You see what I mean? So if XRP lawsuit gets, they win the lawsuit, then obviously then Bitcoin is gonna get approved, as a use case in the US, and the regulatory system is gonna accept Bitcoin as a store of value completely, okay? A lot of companies are doing that at the moment, but what the SEC has done, in my viewpoint, they have targeted XRP specifically to make a point for the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so if XRP wins the case, then that's the best thing that could happen for the cryptocurrency space. Okay, then Bitcoin is approved. A lot of countries are going to start adopting it. Okay, so I want XRP to win the case, because that was my first coin I actually got into. When I got into cryptocurrency, I was in XRP. So, and I bought it at 25 cents when I got in, okay? And I was in this whole run. So a lot of emotions are in the XRP from my viewpoint, and a lot of people who were here, and they bought this. So that's why, XRP needs to win the case in order for the cryptocurrency to win, okay, and Bitcoin to win. And once XRP wins the case, it will have a little bit of a pump, but then it will also Bitcoin will get approved. Let's just, what do you think when XRP will overtake Bitcoin? No. If XRP wins the case, it's not going to overtake Bitcoin, okay? What can happen is, if XRP wins the case, you can look at it like that. It's just healthy for the cryptocurrency market. The reason I say that is because the SEC, whatever, whatever they're looking for within the XRP, the fraudulent activities or whatever happened under the table, okay? If XRP wins the case, Bitcoin is going to win all around the world, okay? Because the US is basically the main culprit, where you want to get things approved. So the world is going to look at the US, and XRP is going to be all over the news, and then Bitcoin is going to be, just approved all over like the Russia effort right now. Russia is trying to ban Bitcoin due to some stuff, okay, Bitcoin mining and inflation and all that. But cryptocurrency is going to help that, So if XRP wins the case, I think it's good for the cryptocurrency space. And meme coins, all the meme coins that are getting these huge market caps, they will get out of these meme coins and start investing in coins that have actual utility, like XRP, VECHAIN, HARMONYONE. So a lot of the money is going into these meme coins right now. It's like gambling. When you're putting your money in meme coins, you're just trying to make quick bucks, but there's no utility in these meme coins. So once the regulations are with the like XRP and all the other altcoins that have utility, money is going to come out from these meme coins. Especially, I mean, I'm not against any meme coin, but that's how the psychology is going. Do you think are you aware of the BTC halving in 2024 that will also boost prices? Yeah, I mean, I'm not completely aware of the 2024 upcoming halving, but hopefully, yeah, I mean, anything positive is gonna benefit the market overall. Where are you from? I'm from, well, that's a little complicated because I was born and raised in UAE. Then originally I'm from Pakistan, but I've never lived over there, and I was raised up in the US. So yeah. What about you? Where are you from? And so overall, I think let me say it this way, like metaverse projects. So metaverse projects, they just when oh hey man, nice to hear that. I am born in Bahrain and grew up in Canada. Nice. The UK, GB. Nice, amazing. Nice to hear that we have people from different regions. It's very lovely how social media is connecting all of us, sitting in different places at the same time. But yeah, like metaverse projects, if like they just blasted just because Facebook changed their name to Meta, and a lot of the VR concept and the virtual reality world that's coming out. I'm into gaming, so I'm pretty aware of these whole metaverse and all these good things. So they just blasted off because the utility and the blockchain was already available. Okay, so all the coins just took off in this recent months. I'm right beside you in a little island. Oh yes, I know where Bahrain is. A lot of people from the Middle East go there to party, actually. I'm pretty aware of Bahrain. It's a pretty party place. If you know what I mean. A little secret party hub. So yeah, the metaverse is actually, I mean, it just blasted because the utility was there, because Facebook changing its name to Meta and then going into that metaverse. Okay, same way XRP. Okay, yeah, you know what I mean, Rocks. So XRP, if the banks are adopting the XRP token, okay, and obviously it's going to help the banking system, because they are going to save a lot of transaction fee. So utility will come, but this SEC case, Secretary of Exchange Commission needs to dismiss this case. Once that happens, a lot of banks in the US is going to utilize that token. So just understand the whole utility. You know what happened with metaverse, that can happen with a lot of these tokens like XRP. Once this sorry, my mic just went off. So yeah, once this SEC commission case gets, you know, resolved, then you will see XRP take off. Okay, and then ripple effect would be Bitcoin's regulations, you know, will come into effect, and then the whole cryptocurrency space will just take off at once. One day when XRP hits $10, we go to the island together. Yeah, man, sure, that island is hell of fun, you know, a lot of fun in that island, and bring some, you know, some party poopers with you as well. Uh, So yeah, I mean it's a good token, XRP. It has a good utility. It just needs to, especially, you know, the 60, I don't know how many billions they have in the escrow account. I think about 60 billion of XRP. So CrowCoin had a big surge up. Do you think it will have another surge like that? I'm investing in VECHAIN more than Crow because I believe more access than Crow. See, when you look at, I'll give you a little bit of a how this whole thing works. Okay, see, every coin has a potential to go up. Now, if you look at the total supply of CrowCoin versus versus VECHAIN, okay, you have to judge why a certain coin goes to $10, why a certain coin goes to $5, why a certain coin is in pennies right now. Because you have to look at the total supply, okay? If you look at the total supply and then you look at the market cap of that coin, that should tell you what is the potential and what is the highest price it can go to, okay? See, CrowCoin is an exchange token, okay? It has a low supply, okay? Versus VECHAIN has a lot of supply that they can offer, okay? So now when you look at VECHAIN, it's a very good token because it's in the supply chain, you know, or blockchain. And CrowCoin is an exchange token like BNB. Why did BNB go to 500 and something dollars? Because the supply was pretty low and the utility was pretty big. Okay, so they were offering, I think it was 25% off on transaction or 50% off, something like that, on their exchange. So that was one utility. Then they came out with staking. Then they came out with certain other things for their exchange. Same thing as CrowCoin. Okay, this CrowCoin actually is following the footsteps of BNB, how BNB got that huge. Okay, so CrowCoin, they have NFTs now. They have fee, transaction fee. They gives, I think it's free. Okay, and they are also doing staking. So that's why you see CrowCoin moving up so quickly. Yes, but if each in goes to $1, which is possible, I think, but CrowCoin can only go up to $2-3. Yeah, you're correct about that. That the potential in $2-3. But I've been looking at CrowCoin when it was in pennies actually. You know, so now if you look at CrowCoin, yeah, it can go up to $2-3. But versus VECHAIN, VECHAIN can go up to $1. That is correct. In this next, whenever this, whenever VECHAIN breaks the white resistance line, it can happen. Look at the market. Oh, yeah, VECHAIN can certainly go up to $1. Okay, but CrowCoin, you know, I'll give you an example. See, crypto.com, I'm not going to compare these two tokens, but because they are two different tokens, okay? VECHAIN, you could compare it with HBAR because they're both into the supply chain business, okay? Same way, metaverse projects. You have to look at metaverse tokens, Sandbox, Mana token, Hero, and there are a couple more. I'm planning on getting 1 million XRP if we get at 3 cents for some time. That's a good. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, okay, guys, but yeah, a lot of people are thinking about that because think about this. Even if you bought, you know, when VECHAIN was at 1 cent, you invested $10,000 at 1 cent, and it ran up to 27 cents. So that was a pretty good take, right? So do the math. Even if you get it at 3 cents and you have 1 million coins, you already know what's going to happen. The next bull run, it's going to be up, wow, a good, it can certainly go up to $1.40, 43 cents, and so on. Let's see. I bought VECHAIN at around, I think, 2 pennies, 2 cents. And I'm still in VECHAIN actually. I sold it a little bit, you know, it took some profit out, and hey, it's not me. It's just the way these coins go up. They just make people millionaire overnight. Okay, what do you think? I mean, see, look, I see this is the chart of VECHAIN. Okay, now I can show you something from the charts. I don't want to just say things. Look at this. Okay, so see this run, judge the moves. Okay, okay. So this move over here, let's not use this. Let's use this one. Okay. So this move over here. Okay. Look at this. It took 196 days. Okay. So this thing took 190 days. Okay. And it went up to 136%. Okay. Look at this move. This move took about 28 days. It went up 174%. Okay. This move took about 719 days. It went up 1,274%. Okay. So, and this move over here, the recent move. Okay. Look at this. It took about 161 days. That's almost 5-6 months. Okay. And went up 2,000%. So you can see they are all pretty similar in the days value. Okay, so next bull run, if you are asking me, will it go up this year? If it can hold, if VECHAIN can find its bottom and Bitcoin can settle down somewhere and buyers can step in, certainly it can go up to $1. Okay, look, and the time frame, if you, I mean, nobody can really judge the time frame, but you can just analyze it. Okay, if VECHAIN comes, you know, even over here at 3 cents or at this trend line, I'm hoping not, but if it does, then look at this move. Let's say 6 months, 161 days. So certainly not this year, maybe it's saying next year of October 2022. Look at this over here, okay, at the bottom, okay? But you never know. I mean, things can just, market conditions can change. Maybe it can go probably half the, 70 days it can go. But if it has a similar run like that, okay? Let's see, okay? If we take this move and just do this, and let's say it's right over here, okay? So you can see it's 24 October. How do you think? Around maybe. Man, I don't even know if I'm gonna hit 100,000 followers. Shit. I wish I wish that happens, but I don't even know if uh people are gonna I'm just I just do this for fun, to be honest. It's like a hobby. Most of the time I am sitting on these charts. So I decided let's just do a live stream. Start live streaming and we can have some fun together. Oh, okay. uh, the CrowCoin. Okay, CrowCoin can. Do you think CrowCoin will go to $5 realistically this next bull run? Let's see. Why wouldn't people hit? Yeah, I know, but you have to really bullshit to get those. I mean, it's all a psychological thing, you know. People they just wanna. I mean, a lot of YouTubers do have crazy content, and I mean, if I start hyping, you know I will get a lot of followers, okay? But it's just not fun. It's just too much effort to just hype. If you're just true to your content, yeah, I will build a good following, but I just don't want to just, bullshit and hype my. Uh, I'm just lying to myself then, I can say that easily that, you know, this can happen, that can happen, and just post a video. But I don't want to do that. I just want to be true to the whole analyzing game. So yeah, even if I get maybe 5,000, 5K subscribers and I have like good followers, like loyal followers, that's okay with me. Like I said, it's just a hobby. But let's look at yeah, see. Let's look at CrowCoin really quick and see what CrowCoin can do. Where is CrowCoin? I wish, yes, share my videos and stuff, so hopefully I get some good, uh, you know, um, I mean, it's just been, I think 2, 3 months I've just started this channel and I've gotten a good response and I'm really thankful to a lot of you guys that you actually follow me and subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate that. Uh, but I think, sharing, um, I mean, it is actually pretty simple when you look at these charts. It's not even that hard. It's just, drawing these damn lines and just analyzing the stuff. Yeah, you're right about that. Hopefully, if uh, I hit 5K, 10K would be easier. Just like, if I hit 100K, 1 million would be easier, right? Or 500K, let's not say 1 million. Nobody really has. No technical trader has 1 million followers. Not even that guy, Carl the Moon. the uh, he's a good guy. Uh, let's see, Crowcoin. Okay, look at this Crowcoin chart. I think you asked me if it can hit like, whoops, sorry, this is not the one. Cool coin. Okay. Yeah, we can, let's see. Daily chart maybe. No, this is not the right one. We have to find the right one so it's easier for us. Okay, yeah, this is it. So CrowCoin, look at this chart, okay? So CrowCoin has been going up. See, it's only been going up, okay? So in the weekly time frame. So I like to take a look at these charts in a bigger time frame because it gives me a better um, viewpoint on the whole uh, lifeline of the coin, okay? See, it's making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and even if it comes, I do not have Twitter yet, but I will make one pretty soon. Maybe once I hit at least 1,000 subscribers, yeah, I will think of making a Twitter account at least. But yeah, it's surely a plan that I'm gonna look forward to. See this crow coin, it's making lower highs, and look at this movement, okay? So if it went up, obviously it's gonna come down. It's not gonna just go and touch the sky, okay? Every time it did that, it came down, okay? Now, even if you look at the RSI, look at the movement, okay? Up, down, volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down, okay? So it's just like basic ping pong game, you know? And if you take this off, remove the indicators, and look at this now, okay? So, right over there. Okay, so crypto.com token was in this channel. Okay, this was the original channel it was in. Now, it came down, it went up. Came down, went up. Came down, went up. And once it was touching this support line and this resistance, recently the reason it broke this because crypto.com actually started utilizing their token and the NFT came into being, okay? NFT pushed the price really up and it broke the resistance. So this was an overextension, which was a good thing, you know? We got a lot of new buyers in place. Think about this. People who bought over here, obviously when the coin went over here, they sold it because they made good gains in this coin. Okay, let's see how much they made. About 900%, 9 times. Okay, 9 times, okay? But look at this. Now crypto.com has, yeah, I'm I'm coming to the target where it would be a good price. So it broke this support and came into this channel again. And analyzing this, look at this. We can say that we were also in this somewhat of a ascending triangle formation, okay? Broke out. If it comes here at 26, 25-ish, like you said, this can be a retest of this support, okay? And if this gets validated at 25, then this could be a very good entry point right over here, okay? If you remove this, go to the monthly chart, okay, and look at this, okay? I mean, this is not the perfect ascending triangle, but if you go to the weekly, You can see it's somewhat of an ascending triangle, but if you take this off, you can see that we do have good support over here. Okay, right over here. Let's just bring it over here. So 23 to 26 cents level. This is your good support level because you can see you didn't have enough support. That's why you see this fall. Okay. So you can see this resistance that should have been worked as a support, but it didn't. So the price came down as well as Bitcoin came down because Bitcoin is the market maker. Okay, if Bitcoin market cap is going to decrease, so are the market cap for all the altcoins. Because look at it this way, if Bitcoin market cap is going to go down, then the total market cap for the whole crypto market is going to go down. Okay, so crypto.com being a native token, Crowcoin, their whole business is based upon the coins itself, okay, for the exchange. So Bitcoins needs to go up in order for crypto.com token to do well. So yeah, I think this area is going to be a good entry point. I would say 20 right over here. Okay, this area over here. Overall, anywhere over here, even if it comes, we know that this support is also very strong support for crypto.com's native token. Yeah. So I can't even see how many people are watching this stream, to be honest. I'm just talking. I only see your chats. Rocks has been, that's a good support for sure. Yeah, that's a very good support. So if you are here in the chat, I hope we consolidate there for a week so I can get all my entries in after finding bottom. Yeah, for sure. Consolidating is going to be a good area because once we start consolidating, but see, I'll be honest with you, this is the weekly chart, okay? So you can just judge the move. Here, I'll tell you something really quick. Where is that? Okay. See, when crypto.com decides to come down in the weekly, okay, you can clearly see how it comes down. Okay. I will tell you, when you see these kind of movements in the weekly, whoops, sorry, these kind of movements, okay, where you have, let me just zoom in. When you have these candles next to each other, okay, in the weekly, then that means accumulation is being done in these areas. Because you can see when it was coming down single candles one by one, okay? So once you see these kind of movements where 5 or 10 candles are aligning next to each other, this is where the accumulation zone would be. Okay, same goes over here, look, right over here. Okay, and you can also build a case in the weekly. It was making an ascending triangle. Okay, look, and over here, right over here, this is also like a W bottom. Look, as soon as it broke this resistance and closed the candle above this resistance, which we failed over here, look, everything went up. Okay, same goes over here. As soon as we close the candle above this resistance, we went up. Okay, so this is your indication. If you see anything like this happen anywhere at the support levels, that's your indication that that's the next one up. Okay, so look out for these reversal patterns, I would say. Reversal patterns at the bottom, they can come into a lot of shapes. Ascending triangles, W bottoms, bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern. So these are the three main ones that come when the price is at the support levels. Okay, and then you have to wait for the confirmation as well. Can MATIC go to $10 by the end of the bull run? I hope MATIC goes to $100 by the end of the bull run. Let's see if it can. There's no such thing as surety, but we can see if MATIC, what can MATIC do? Let's see, MATIC. Thank you, Rox. I hope that brought some new insight to the coin. Because I love, whenever we had the support, I love looking at reversal patterns. That's where you make the real dollars, Buy the coin at the bottom and then look at the reversal pattern, wait for the breakout, and boom, up it goes. It's simple as that. MATIC. Where is MATIC? Right over here. Okay. So MATIC overall, it's at $1.48. It's down 13% right now. Let me just take this off. Okay. MATIC full potential, I would say, look at this move. MATIC can go to $10, but that's only if Bitcoin goes to 120, 140, around that area. If Bitcoin goes to 120,000 to 140,000, then you will certainly see MATIC go to $8 to $12. And the reason I say that is because if Bitcoin goes to 120, without analyzing the chart, this is just my theoretical point, okay? If Bitcoin can go to 120, 150, around that range, okay? Then MATIC utility is going to be used because it's cheaper than other coins, like because Ethereum is more, gas is more expensive, I believe Solana and all that. Solana is decent, but MATIC is one of the cheapest when it comes to transferring your coins. Okay, so certainly there will be a lot of use case for MATIC, but at the moment MATIC is coming down, but you can see what it did here. Okay, look at this previous run when it was at, I think, 2 cents. So it came down, went up, came down, broke its support, then came down. Okay, this is exactly what MATIC is doing right now. Okay, it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, broke support, is coming down. This is also in a shape of a rising wedge. Look at this. Whoops. Let's take this off. So this is also in a shape of a rising wedge, if you haven't noticed. Okay, rising wedges are usually bearish patterns. Okay, so if you see it come further down, if you look at the monthly, and it breaks this level, okay, $1, this level over here, okay, which is $1.45, then expect MATIC to come over here, okay, at this level again. Then you go to the weekly, and you can see we have some solid support over here, right over here, right over here. Okay, so it can certainly come here. Okay, but now if you ask me, that if it can go to $10, it can, but Bitcoin has to go to those price ranges, 120 to $150,000, and then the use case for MATIC is going to be extremely beneficial for the transferring of the assets. Any other request, guys? If anyone is still there, no problem, Rocks. If you guys are watching, kindly hit the like button so I get some good analytics for this stream. I don't think BTC will break all-time highs anytime soon. Well, let's see. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin. See, one thing I'm watching out for with this Bitcoin chart. I really don't know how many people are viewing this stream, so let me just quickly tell you what I see, okay? Look at this Bitcoin chart, okay? And let's look at this run. It went up, came down, went up, came down, okay? But it was making lower highs, okay? Then it went up, came down, went up, came down, okay? So as soon as it broke this, you can see this double bottom formation being formed, okay? Will you get them soon? Hey, thanks, Alexis. Appreciate your amazing comment. Like my video and I guess share my video. Maybe that would give me some help, I guess. If this goes to 30 or breaks it, then it's confirmed bear market, right? Well, I mean, see, there are a lot of people waiting for Bitcoin to go to 20,000. Do you think Elon Musk is gonna let 20,000 pass by, or big institution? No, they're not. They're gonna start purchasing Bitcoin at 20K if it goes there, right? So, see, when Bitcoin in recent times when it came to 30,000, you did like over here. I'll explain you really quick, okay? Over here in the charts, okay? See, right over here when Bitcoin was at this area, it came to 30K, then it went to 40K. Came to 30K, went to 40K. It did this again and again, okay? It's because a lot of accumulation was being done, okay? Same way I showed you in CrowCoin example. Whenever you see this kind of movement, expect a move towards the upside because accumulation zone, okay? So now if you I mean, see, when Bitcoin was at 60K, not everybody could think of buying a whole Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin comes to 20K, yeah, a lot of people, a lot of people would get into Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So it wasn't easy to buy Bitcoin at 68K. People were partially buying that damn Bitcoin. But if it comes to 20K, right over here maybe, yeah, a lot of people will try to get into this Bitcoin rather than altcoins, in my viewpoint. Altcoins, there are some altcoins that are even better than Bitcoin, but this is just the face value at the moment, okay? This is the market maker, market leader at the moment. So if it comes to 20K, a lot of people will start buying this coin. Let me give you an example. Okay. Now when Bitcoin was here at 19K, it came all the way down to 3K, okay? Accumulation, look at this pattern. Well, that's true, but if Bitcoin goes to 30K, I think it will have many resistance above it and will still give few months, I don't think, before. Yeah, the 4-year bear market is not there anymore, but you're correct about the resistance points. But trust me, when whales want to break those resistance, they will do it easily. Okay, uh, you are judging the resistance points by it being at this level. Okay, there wasn't enough buying power for people to accumulate Bitcoin at 68K. It's just crazy, buying a whole Bitcoin at 68K. Okay, it's just unreal at the moment. Okay, but if it comes down, okay, let me give you an example. See, right over here, I was telling you when Bitcoin was at 20K, people thought it was unreal to buy a damn Bitcoin at 19K. Okay, it's just unreal to digest. But when it came down all the way to 3K, people were like, hell yeah, we're gonna buy 5 Bitcoins for the price that was right over here. So a lot of people started accumulating at this zone. This is just the psychology, how people, you know, think. And even if break, I think it will just get surprised and turn around. Do you think the rally up? I mean, it will surely take some time because, like I told you, these accumulation, when you see a lot of candles like that being formed, accumulations are being done in this area. Okay, so see, when the price came down to the 3K level, look at this run up that happened. Okay, it went up to 14K, then came down. Corona happened. Okay, stock market, everything crashed. But then Bitcoin stood up and started going up. And you can easily look at this formation, okay? This double W bottom formation it formed. And as soon as it broke this neckline, you can see it went all the way up. Okay, and you can just judge this move right over here. Look at this exact match that it made. Okay, now same way. Okay, I'm showing you this, but I really hate to do this, but I'm just gonna mention this. Okay, I'm not a bear or a bull. I'm just showing you what I see. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second, Hannah. See, look at this double bottom formation, but this is the bear one. Okay, so if it breaks this neckline, you can see Bitcoin coming down right over here. Okay, so this area is a very important area for Bitcoin. This area, okay, the 30,000 levels. So keep an eye. I mean, on these levels because Bitcoin can also do something like this. Let me show you. Down, up, down. Have a triple bottom in place. Okay. So anything is possible, but there has to be a confirmation. I'm also not a bull or bear, but I like both because I'm a bull long term. Love a bear short term to add to my position. Exactly. That's a good way of looking at when you're investing in these projects. You shouldn't be a bull or a bear, but you have to be very neutral and just invest very strategically because nobody can judge the. I mean, you cannot predict. You could just analyze and be smarter, but uh, you cannot predict. It's the Fed meeting, and I think things whether more clear. Let's see. I think we're gonna hear some positive news on Wednesday because stock market has really taken a beating. They want to save the stock market, right? So something positive is gonna come out, hopefully. Let's take a look at Gala for this viewer, Henna Kosher. Okay, Gala coin. Okay, the reason Gala coin has gone into a free fall is because it came out from this falling channel, okay? And you can see exactly that when it did that, it broke out, came back, retest, and fell down, okay? It came all the way down to 15 cents. Wow, what a great opportunity that was, okay? But I mean, this is one of my favorite coins, Gala, because I've been. I'm sorry, my mic just went off. Yeah, this is one of my favorite coins because I've been actually in Gala when it was actually right over here. I rode it up and up, but that's why I tell you this is a very good zone. Even if it comes down to 13 cents or 14 cents, a very good dollar cost averaging strategy that you can use to accumulate Gala coin. Because Gala, it didn't have any support here, okay? That's why you see this free fall, okay? It needs to come back to its support and a little bit of a consolidation needs to happen or accumulation needs to happen. Then you will see another run up for Gala. And of course, Bitcoin needs to go up as well. And then we can see some nice movement for Gala. Now, even if Gala Gala is coming out with this amazing game, first-person shooter game that a lot of people play. Me, myself, I play these kind of games, and it's going to be very similar to Halo, play to earn kind of game they're trying to make. I forgot the name of that game. But once that comes out, you will see Gala take off as well because a lot of people that are invested in Gala are waiting for that project as well. And you can see Gala had this support as well. As soon as it broke this area, a downwards movement. It might just come, maybe touch this support level and try to maybe have some consolidation done over here. If it doesn't come all the way down to 13 or 14 cents, you can maybe something like that can happen. Come here, retest this support or resistance line and maybe then make a double bottom. Look for like a reversal pattern, okay? And you could go in the 4-hourly time frame and let's see what it's doing. At the moment you can see it's not making any good candle formations, okay? They're all bearish candles, okay? But if you look at the RSI, Gala is basically a gaming coin, okay? And it has good, I would say it's for those individuals who are into gaming and like to do play to earn kind of scenario, you know? Yeah, gaming coin. So you can see Gala is actually oversold right now, okay? A lot of oversold and stochastic is also bottomed out. So you will see a bit of a consolidation going on over here because you can see where the 20 moving average is, where the 55 and the 100 moving, they're far away. So expect something like this, okay? Maybe touch this like this, make like a rising channel or like a bearish flag, or if it makes bullish patterns like a ascending triangle right over here and break out, then we can get back in this channel and go from here. But at the moment, market sentiments are bearish. Okay, I hope that answered your question, Hannah. And if you are watching this stream, kindly give me a like and let me know if you want me to cover any other coin since I'm here. But yeah, Gala is a good project overall, and Gala took off after the metaverse, got into its hype. So Gala was one of those coins that had utility for the gaming projects. You could go on Gala website, and if you are interested, take a look at the website. It's a pretty professional website, and Gala was actually Gala was really if you have heard I just really hyped for VECHAIN. Yeah, that would be something really good if it hits even 50 cents and you have 500k coins. Yep. Sell maybe half at 50 cents, right? or or the whole amount. Half a million is not a bad amount. Since we are doing gaming coins, could you check PYR, please? Okay, let's take a look at PY. I've never heard of that coin, but let me just go and check it for you. Oh wow. It went PYR. Wow, it was at the all-time high was so PYR was at $50. Came very close to $50. Now it is at $7. I really don't know the here, okay? Let's take a look at it in the daily time frame. Okay, this. Okay, look at this. So PYR, I'm just gonna do like just strictly analysis, on this one without knowing the fundamentals of this coin, okay? Look at this. It was in this falling wedge formation. Every time it's hitting this resistance, it's coming and hitting the support levels. It broke out from this and gave some confidence, but it failed to break this resistance. Look, right over here, okay? Right over here, it failed to break it. And then it hit this target level and came down. It had a retest of used to be resistant as support, but Bitcoin came down and it dragged it with it, okay? So this is why you see this movement to the downside. Now you can also see it wants to go further down because it tried to get back in, but it failed. And you see the selling pressure. You can also see this by this volume, okay? You see the volume is declining. Look, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? So you see this declining. And where can it go? That's the main question. Where can this coin go? If you just do this, it is oversold at the moment, but you don't even see a bullish divergence taking place. There's no bullish divergence taking place, okay? So let's use the Fibonacci. Judge this move. Okay, you can see clearly now. It's sitting at it came down all the way to 1.272. Okay, and then it's coming further down. Okay, if it doesn't move back in this wedge or break this resistance, it can come all the way down to $6.98 again. Okay, and if it breaks this, it's gonna come down over here, $5.61. Now, this coin doesn't have any support over here, no support. Okay, the reason it was coming down in a falling wedge formation because people were accumulating this coin. Okay, but it failed to hold the support level. It has failed to hold this, break this resistance, and only downside I can see for this coin at the moment. Okay, until and unless it creates and consolidates. Whenever you see that consolidation in the daily time frame, expect a movement to the upside. Okay, that is going to be very important for this coin. I hope that brought you some information for this coin, and hopefully things can go back up for PYR. Okay. I'm not a trader, but I'm more so a buy and hold long term. I will sell my staking rewards though every month and sell. Okay, yeah, that's a good way to take a look at it, because a lot of people, what they do is they invest, just stake their coins and take profits from the rewards from staking. I actually do that too. So I I think that's a very good way to, you sound like a businessman to me, to be honest. Just invest and collect your rewards. I actually do, sometimes I reinvest, and I reinvest and just my rewards so I could compound them for the long run. And till the next bull market comes, I can just multiply those returns. So yeah, I mean, we all have our own little way of doing these things. Yeah. How many people are watching this stream? I don't even know. Do you see any viewers? Oh, okay. No problem, Alexis. I hope that brought you some insights and some new information. Okay, 3 people. Nice. I'm getting good. Why can my new viewers like my video a little bit, maybe? Just one click and the thumbs up button would be really nice. What do you think about DeFi alts like Alpaca and XRP? Yeah, DeFi coins are good for now. Okay, so DeFi coins. ALP. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Yeah, I haven't really heard of this one, but looking at the chart, uh, thank you. So, looking at this chart, okay, let's see. See, a lot of coins have done this same thing. They created this wedge and they broke to the downside. Even Bitcoin did that, to be honest. And all the coins have followed Bitcoin. So we want to see, we just have to wait, to be honest. Wait for a consolidation to take place and, just accumulation taking place. Once that happens, then I mean, it is making a bullish candle at the moment. Okay, Christian, thank you so much for being two persons. Really appreciate the strategy you have going on there. Thank you. And so this coin is, uh, I mean, it was doing good. It was at $1. Wow, that was a good area. But it has come down. And now if you look at the, oh my God, yeah, this is completely oversold in the RSI. You can see how low it has gone, 21. So this is oversold. And even in the stochastic, it's bottomed out. So I expect a little bit of a relief rally to the upside. Okay, but if you're looking for the long-term trajectory, then you just have to wait. You might see a lot of projects do this. If this happens, then I will become very bullish. Okay, let me show you something. I can see it in this coin, so I'll just explain you. Okay, this being the resistance. Okay, you can see that when this coin was coming down, and it found some support here, but it broke down, okay? And then it bounced from here, and then it went up and found resistance here. Then it came back down, okay? Now it has come down. All right, Rox, thank you so much for hanging out. You have a good one, okay? Yeah, so now if it can go back up and create something like this, okay? See, hit this, come back, hit this resistance, turn it into support, and then come up, we can have a inverse head and shoulder pattern taking place. A lot of projects are making this kind of movement, so this can be possible for a lot of projects. Horizontal trend line. So now if this happens, you know, because I like to look at coins, what it can do, might do, or can happen, you know. So you can clearly see when this took place, and we also have this over here. If we bring it a little bit further down like that and take this off, so you can see this was like a descending triangle, okay, and it had a price target towards the downside right over here where it broke out from, and you can see it came right over here, okay. It actually met the target right over here, but then Bitcoin came down and it broke this falling wedge, okay. So you have to just wait and see what happens over here. If it can make this pattern, okay, this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then that's going to be a bullish sign, okay. So keep an eye on this and wait till a confirmation. It will go up, you know, if Bitcoin you know, plans on taking some relief, and this can come up and hit this support line. All right, Kriakos, thank you. It's all I stored so much plays. GMT token. Wins keywords, revenue coin for everybody. I will get a chap slice. Yeah, that's good. You know, I think staking is the best way to do it, to be honest. If you can find these staking coins and stake your funds, and you wouldn't be worried about any bear or bull market, to be honest. Even if there's a bear market and you are staking your coins with a high APR and, you know, just taking out the rewards, or even have maybe like, you know, enough staked where you have even $500 or $1,000 coming from each project. Just do the math then, you know, and next time a bull market comes, you could go all the way up to, you know, it's going to multiply your whole staking rewards and your investment. So you have to sorry, my mic went off again. Yeah, you have to play really smart with these crypto coins, and especially get in, you know, get into staking. Yeah, it does depend on the coin price. Yeah, it depends on the coin's price, but well, I have staked my coins in Axie Infinity. Surprise! Yeah, I'm using Axie Infinity actually. Yeah, rewards do reduce if the coin. I mean, it all depends. I'm not gonna say they really do, but sometimes what happens when the coin price goes down, some coins like to increase their APR just to attract new buyers, okay? Like Axie Infinity, okay? It was at $140 and its APR was about 100 and no, I haven't played the game yet, but I'm planning on playing. I mean, to be honest, it's a great coin to invest your money in, but I just don't understand the little damn you know, those puppets you're fighting with. I like to just invest the money in it. I like playing Call of Duty, PUBG, you know, first-person shooter games. But I mean, I, I would just invest and stake my money in Axie Infinity. That's the best I would do with that coin. But a lot of people are making great gains playing that game. Actually, a lot of people were making $1,000 to $3,000, even 4,000 playing Axie Infinity. So it's a great project. I mean, that's where if you see a lot of these coins like Gala coin, they are starting to follow in that direction, you know, where like the direction of Axie Infinity. And that's where they're getting this concept of play to earn. Because Axie Infinity initially started this whole, you know, play to earn. You know, Gala coin can actually become like Axie Infinity if they bring out staking. If Gala coin can bring out staking, then you will see a huge demand for this coin and a huge run up. Because when, let me show you, okay? Axie Infinity. I don't really cover these coins in my videos, but see, now this is what LiveStream does. It gives me chance to talk about these coins, okay? See, it's at 48 now. But that's okay. And see, it's making this kind of movement. Like a inverse, like a bearish head and shoulder. Okay, so when Axie Infinity was right over here, okay, let me show you. Right over here. It was, no, sorry, not over there. Right over here. At $63. They announced they were gonna have staking. The price just took off, doubled, or more than doubled in value. Okay? So this is what staking does. Any coin that has a high APR and they introduce gaming coins especially, okay? And they introduce staking. This is what can happen to Gala, okay, if they introduce staking. Just like crypto.com coin, they introduced staking, and look at where the coin went. It just took off, blasted off to the moon. It's another discussion that it's coming down at the moment, but staking is a very good way to earn passive income, I would say, monthly rewards and all that good stuff. Rewards will be reduced if coin price is reduced. Yeah, that can happen, but a lot of like Pancake Swap. If you have heard of Pancake Swap, the cake token, uh, you want the coin. Okay, it can go up. Okay, say if the price is going up of a staking coin, it can do that, and that's good for your investment as well. But I like coins that are just, doing this, and you are staked in it. Okay, even if it comes down, I like to buy them right there. Okay, because you average down your price, so everything works in your favor. So you have to be very strategic with your investments, even when it comes to staking. But I think that's the best thing you could do when staking is introduced, whichever coins you are invested in. And I like to go with high APRs. Is anyone still there? Or am I just talking to myself? Okay, guys, I think. Here, mate. Oh, hey, man. How are you? Okay, I guess Mr. Kriakos, I think I'll just end this stream for tonight, and I'm gonna just hopefully I answered all y'all's questions and did some technical analysis. Until next time, if you like this kind of live streams, uh, hit the like button and let me know if you want me to do it next time. Whenever you want me to do it next time, we'll go ahead and arrange these live sessions and just hang out. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna end the stream, and good luck to you guys, and hopefully the market recovers and goes up. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.